In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your eBay account. Whether you're an experienced online shopper or new to eBay, accessing your account swiftly ensures a smooth shopping experience. Let's get started step by step to guide you through the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once you've done that, head over to the address bar at the top and type in www.ebay.com to get straight to the eBay homepage. Press enter and you'll be taken directly to eBay's website. Once you're on the eBay homepage, look to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the sign in button. Click on it and you'll be directed to the eBay sign-in page. This page offers a simple and secure way to access your account. Now pay attention to the options available for signing in. eBay allows you to log in using your registered email and password. However, for a quicker login, eBay offers the option to continue with Google. If you've got a Google account and have linked it previously with eBay, this can be a faster option. To continue with Google, go ahead and click the Continue with Google button. A new window will open, prompting you to choose an account if you're logged into several Google accounts. Here, select the Gmail account that you use for your eBay login. This step is crucial, as selecting the wrong account could redirect you to a different service or require more authentication steps. If you haven't logged into your Google account before this, you may be prompted to enter your Gmail password at this stage. After selecting the correct Gmail account, click on the Continue button. By doing this, Google will securely verify your identity and allow eBay access to log you in automatically. Now, eBay will redirect you back to their platform where you'll be successfully signed into your account. From here, you can start shopping, track your orders, or manage your listings if you're an eBay seller. And that's it. You've logged into your eBay account using Google quickly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues during this process, such as forgotten passwords or trouble with Google authentication, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions for account recovery. It's always a good idea to double check that you're on the official eBay website to avoid phishing attempts. Now you're all set to explore the exciting world of eBay bargains. Happy shopping!